Hello, this is back-to-back third video of 30 days React challenge, and let's start with day 17. We have crossed almost 50%, 55%. Great, let's do 17. Hopefully let's see. FAQ component, okay. FAQ is frequently asked questions basically. So, in this lab, you will create a simple yet functional accordion. I think it's drop down. Oh, no idea. Some instrument. Accordion component using React. And accordion is a UI pattern consisting of collapsible items. Yeah, not drop down, collapsible items. Typically used for displaying FAQs or other content in a space efficient manner. Just a minute. Yeah. Your task is to build an accordion where only one item's content is displayed at a time. Okay. For example, if there are 5 accordions, we have to display only one of them at a time. Content of that should be displayed at least one at a time. Okay. This one is easy actually. So maybe in 18th, the next day, we might get a bit harder one in which we have to open multiple at once. I think so. Create an accordion component. Design your accordion component with the necessary HTML structure and React state logic. Each accordion item should be a div with a class accordion. Let me quick. Okay, I think they have provided this. So let's read this. Each accordion item should have a div with a class accordion inside this. Include 2 child. Div should have 2 childs inside this. One with the question, second one with the answer. Okay. Implement global state. Use React's state management to control which accordion item is open by default. Initially, the first item should be open and the rest should be collapsed. Okay. By default, first item should be open. So when we are using use state, we will have to use default value as 0 or 1, something like that. Implement functionality. By the way, I want to add one note here. So when you do a lot of coding and you get experienced, when you're reading something, you automatically start thinking of its code also. And that's where you can feel much more confident. Implement functionality that allows users to click on the accordion item to view its content. Okay. Clicking another item should close the currently open item and open the new one. Okay. Render multiple items and this it should work like this basically. Great. Example markup is already given, so let's copy this for now. Challenge information. Okay, for now I'm just using this, but we might have to do a lot of change here. Accordion structure. This expectation, you should have the correct parent and this. Okay, how many accordions do we have to create? They haven't mentioned it, I think. The page should contain exactly 4 accordion elements, each followed by the specified structure. Let me make it try this out. Let's get rid of this first. And let's start JSX because we have to do 4 times loop. For let I equals to 0 colon I less than. I'm not sure if it has times or something. For example, in Ruby you can use 4 dot times and you can run loop 4 times. I'm not sure React has it. Expression expected. Okay, because we are trying to do this 4 times, that's why. Something else we will have to do. What can I do? Maybe create a separate component. loop inside React JSX. Okay, they are starting directly. No, the body, this. Okay, okay, let's make it simple then. Use a for loop here. Let I equals to 0 colon I less than 4 colon I plus plus, and in that let me think this. Return this. Let me try this directly. Nope. Div. Okay, they are converting it and all. Great. So it took some time, but let's do this one. Let's create a season list or something like that. Wait. And we will have to create a season list, which is an array, and in that array we are pushing everything. Okay, so const accordions is equals to array. Let's get rid of this as accordions, maybe a mistake, but let's do this. And inside that we have to push the code. Great. We'll push this code for now, but what we'll do is we'll use this I plus 1 plus 1, and we can use these accordions now. And we can see 1 2 3 4 all are visible. Let's get rid of this one. So now we just have to fix the UI for this. So for that, what I will do is I have the class name, I'll write M4 margin basically, and in question what I will do is I'll add a border for this. Border BORDER black. Okay, and padding of 2. This one I'll make, let's not use this padding for 2 right now. With this question I'll use padding of 2, and I'll make this BG black, text white, so that it looks like this. And I'll use this P2 here also, and it looks like this. So it looks a bit more better, actually a bit better. Now we have to make this clickable. So what we can do is on click handle click for now. Okay, and let's create this function here, const handle click, and we'll have to pass the index actually, so that we can identify this. So I'll have to pass the I, that means I'll also have to use the event, because I just want to reference this. If I was using directly this without E and all these things, I'll be calling this function, which we don't want. We just want to reference this. Console.log index. Right now I'm working with Ruby and other languages, and that's why it becomes really hard when you're doing simple tasks like using the for loop and those kind of things, just because in each language it works a bit different. Okay, so it is working great. Now we will have to do something like this. What it means is that we are adding this string plus, right now I'm adding hidden also. Okay, so let's see how it, not this actually. So these answers should not have been visible. Why is it still visible? Let's make a space, and now they are not visible. Okay, so now we will just control this. How can we control this? Const clicked item is equals to, sorry, comma, set clicked item is equals to use state, and the default index is 0. Clicked index set clicked item, actually set clicked item, and in that I'll set this index. So whenever we click on any accordion, this item will this value will keep on changing, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever we want. So now we can use this information. If this is equals to the index that is provided in this code, actually if it is not equals to this, then use hidden, else nothing. Something like this should work. Why is this not working? Let's refresh and see. Use state is not defined. Okay. Import use state equals to from, sorry, not equals to, from React. Clear this. By default the first one is open. That's what we wanted. Click on this, this is working. Click on this, this is working. Let me open it into full screen. Click, click, click. Great, it is working better. So now let's run test case and see. My soup is let's wait a minute. Okay, so the test case is passed. That means it was a simple question. Straight, simple yet worth it. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks a lot. Do share these videos, like and comment, and yeah, thank you. Bye bye.